facing cultural and language barriers, cost of living, for 2027. First is analytical thinking. Number 2 is creative thinking. Number 3, AI and big data. 4, leadership and social influence. 5, resilience, creativity, and agility. Number 6 is curiosity and lifelong learning. Number 7, technological literacy. Number 8, design and user experience. Number 9, motivation and self-awareness. And last, empathy and active listening. So the local labor market situation, Region 7, as of 2024, the labor force participation rate is 68%, or 2.39 million Filipinos. 9 out of 10 are employed. Employment rate of this is 94%, or 2.24 million, while the underemployed is 1 out of 10. The underemployment rate is 12%, while the unemployed is 1 out of 20. The unemployment rate of this is 6%, or 140,000. The regional labor market situation and demand occupation is construction, hotel and restaurant, information technology, mining, wholesale and retail. The construction is mason, carpenter, electrician, welder, lineman, scaffolder, engineer, laborer, and heavy equipment operator. While the hotel and restaurant, food services, housekeeping attendant, front office staff, and receptionist, while the information technology, IT support, technician, and administration, software development, cybersecurity, and risk management. Mining, structural under mining engineering, driller, gas technician, heavy equipment. The wholesale and retail is sales and business development, operations and logistics, purchasing and supply chain management. The emerging occupation is construction, the safety officer, the IT or the BPM, IT specialist, analysis or ESL teacher, the mining and quarry, mine engineer, the wholesale and retail, trade, or other service activities, as well as a fraud officer, telemarketer, digital marketer, online moderator. The orientation on Republic Act number 11261, First Time Job Seeker of Assistance Act of 2019. And I'm all waiving medical certificate from a public hospital, provided that fees and charges collected for laboratory tests and other medical procedures required for the grant of a medical certificate shall not be free of charges. Number 5 is birth certificate. Number 6 is marriage certificate. Number 7 is transcript of academic records issued by the state colleges and universities. Number 8 is tax identification number or TIN. Number 9 is UMID or Unified Multi-Purpose ID card. Number 10, other documentary requirements issued by the government that may be required by employers from job applicants. The proof of eligibility is barangay certification stating that the applicant is a first-time job seeker. At yun yung kung ang barangay certification is yung barangay residence. The validity of the document of the Philippines shall be 1 year from the issuance of the barangay certificate. Then the duties and responsibilities of the job seeker is secure the barangay certification from his or her place of residence. Number 2, execute an oath undertaking to be provided by the barangay relative to his or her request. Number 3 is abide by the rules relevant and securing certificates or other pre-employment documentary requirements. Number 4, report back to the barangay, whether in person or through other modes like communication through online. Ang exemption is sa mga first-time job seekers or applicant. I-apply ani is take professional licensure examination of PRC. Number 2 for Philippine passport identification and red ribbon of the FA. Number 3 is for career service examination with civil service. And number 4 for the driver license from LTO Construct. Number 5 is for the studies of job start program under RA 10869 shall not be qualified to avail of the benefits of this act. And last, good luck on your future